Good morning, Reverend Sister Anita, respected teachers, and my dear friend. The topic of our assembly today is be cheerful and smile. Smiling can make you happy. How do you feel after smiling at each other? Do you not feel nice in life after the lovely smiles you gave and got? Many great people have said that even if you are not happy, if you keep cheerful, you will start feeling better. They say smile is the best medicine in this world. Thank you.
A smiling face, a word of cheer, can stop the falling of a tear. A helping hand, a little deed, a wish to please gives joy and peace.
Smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face, and when it's gone, you'll never find its secret hiding place. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face, and when it's gone, you'll never find its secret hiding place. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. So, one smile makes two.
When you smile, others begin to like you. Who is your best friend? Does he or she smile a lot? Yes, that is also why you like your best friend so much. As you know, nobody wants to be friends with anyone who flaunts a socks all the time. Thank you. When you smile, you make others happy. When you smile at people, they smile back at once. Your smile has made them happy for a while. When you make others happy, it makes you happy too. When you smile, you look beautiful. When you frown, you don't. Have you heard the saying? Smile and the world smiles with you. Cry and you cry alone. Everyone wants to be happy. So when you smile, people smile back. But what happens when you cry? Does anybody else cry with you? No. Nobody wants to be sad. So when you cry alone. Is it better to smile or cry? Think about it.
Have you got a sunshine smile? Have you got a sunshine smile? Wherever you may go, God's goodness you may show. Have you got a sunshine smile? Have you got a sunshine and smiley? Have you got a sunshine and smiley? Wherever you may go, God's goodness you may show. Have you got a sunshine and smiley? Have you got a sunshine laugh? Have you got a sunshine laugh? Wherever you may go, God's goodness you may show. Have you got a sunshine laugh? Have you got a sunshine L-A-U-G-H? Have you got a sunshine L-A-U-G-H? Wherever you may go, God's goodness you may show. Have you got a sunshine L-A-U-G-H?
Smile is happiness that you will find right under your nose.
Smile. A smile is the prettiest thing you can wear.
A smile is the best makeup any girl can wear.
Sometimes all it
takes is a smile to make everything feel better.
Smile is infectious. You catch it like the flu. When someone smiled at me today, I started smiling too. I walked around the corner and someone saw me grin. When he smiled, I realized I had passed it on to him. I thought about the smile and then realized its worth. A single smile like mine would travel around the earth. So, if you feel a smile begin, don't leave it undetected. Start an epidemic and get the world infected.
Let us pray. Dear Lord, help us make the world a happier place with a simple smile. If we were to smile at someone every day, we would make that person's day. Help us see the happiness is one of the most